Hi guys, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So we have seen that gold after the NFP, after this massive drop, the market now in a consolidation and waiting for another breakdown on gold. Now, before we look at how we can trade this instrument, let's quickly look at the higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market now. So from the monthly, we can see that gold currently is in a very strong bearish momentum. After back-to-back 4 months of bullish move, we can see that there is a long week monthly candle. Now this month, we can see that gold has formed another candle with a initial pullback to the upside, has got to 50% level, and then we have seen that the market has got a rejection on the monthly. Now this is the monthly candle on gold, and what we can see that the price started to drop from this level, expecting it to drop to this support level. As we can see that from the monthly, the market started to move in the major direction and expecting it to drop down to this important support level. So we might see that long-term perspective on gold for the price to drop to this support level. If we look at the weekly chart, where you can see that from the weekly, there is a weekly bearish engulfer, which is basically a strong liquidity candle. This is a very narrow weekly candle that has a high liquidity. The market has broken that resistance line, and then we can see the market rejected with this weekly bearish candle. Now this weekly bearish candle is quite significant, as it could be a sign of further downside on gold from the weekly perspective. Now this week we can see that the market opened with a higher low, and after forming a higher low, the market has reached that support level, which is turning resistance here. And I think that gold might retest and then to drop back down again to create a new lower low. So dropping down to the daily chart to see how the price might be doing, here on the daily, we can see that there was a huge breakdown with the NFP data release. This is a huge, almost more than 380 candle on the daily, has broken that support level. And we have seen back-to-back 2 days of pullback. Now, if we take the Fibonacci from the daily to see that the pullback still didn't reach that 38.2%. And I think that the price might try to move back up to that Fibonacci level before breaking below, and expecting for gold to retest that level before dropping down to the Fibonacci level. So if we look at further lower time frame from the intraday, we can see that the market is basically retesting this resistance line multiple times, couple of dodges formation, and we see that from the lower time frame the price is still showing bearish. And this is the NFP drop, guys. You can see that there was a big drop here and a pullback, multiple liquidity grab. So expecting either to break below or grab more liquidity and then drop below. As it is in a bearish momentum, I will be looking for potential selling opportunity on gold. Now from the day trading perspective, if we go to the 15-minute chart, we can see that it's forming a head and shoulder, which is a sign that gold might break below from this level, as we can see that the price already has made this significant pullback. So we'll be waiting to see a break of structure, which is essential for selling opportunity. As you can see, this is a structure that has broken completely, and expecting it to pull back to the upside again, and then to confirm a change of trend from this uptrend to a downtrend. So this is where, as soon as you will find suitable entry on gold, we will be looking for going short with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, for more free education and content like that. With that said, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in another analysis.